What should help him be mentally prepared is he's a neuroscience PhD student at the Brain Mind Institute at EPFL, which is the Swiss Federal Institute of Technology in Lausanne, where he says he spends most of his time chasing elusive memory traces. He may not be a mind reader, but he is a mind leader. Go bananas for Ossama Khalaf.
Have you ever had a very bad memory, a traumatic one, like an accident or maybe a harsh breakup, that would like to get rid of without affecting other memories we cherish? Can I see show of hands, please? Well, as expected, so many of you. So could I please ask you to look here, and for all the others who didn't raise their hands, kindly close your eyes. But wait a minute here. Is it really possible that we can get rid of memories? Or is it just crazy notion from sci-fi movies? Well, before I answer this question, let me first take you through the process of how memory researchers, including myself, study memory. There are different types of memories, but we mostly care about emotional memories. Because simply if you combine an emotion to a memory, it burns into your brain and can literally persist with you throughout your entire life. Emotions like happiness, sadness, or maybe fear. So let's take fear as an example because it's very easy to induce in the lab. And to do so, we bring our daily collaborators, the lab animals. We bring some lab animals into a box. This box they have never been into before. So it's like a new environment for them. So as a first reflex, they like to move everywhere exploring it. But after a while, we give them a very weak electric shock in this box. That it's mild, but enough though to make them associate that this box is harmful for them. So as every single time you put them back into the box, they refuse to move and they freeze out of fear. Great. Now we have successfully created a fear memory. Is it possible that we can get rid of what we have just created? Well, it turns out that the only known treatment so far for fear memories is exposure-based, meaning you have to confront your fears to be able to get rid of them. And this is exactly what we do with the lab animals. So we bring them back into the box. Initially, they remember that the box is harmful and they refuse to move. But when we bring them back into the box several sessions a day for many consecutive days, the fear tends to go down, what's known as fear extinction. Unfortunately, this fear extinction training is unsuccessful if the animals are not receiving this kind of fear extinction training on a regular basis. So if they are not doing it for a period of time and then you put them back into the box, the fear resurfaces back, what's known as spontaneous recovery of the fear. But the good news here is, from our own research in the lab, we have found out that there is a drug. It's still under research though. If the animals are taking this drug while they are doing the fear extinction training, the fear never comes back again. So in conclusion, and to come back to my first question, with this approach, we believe that it's quite possible to get rid of traumatic memories. And for all of you who've raised your hands in the beginning, hoping to get rid of your own traumatic memories, don't worry at all. Soon, we will have the means to. Thank you.